since I've been staying at a place since almost a week now, we just thought of making a vlog together on
like quarantine vlog, and you might as well see what we do. And our vlog is not going to be that long. It's just going to be the highlights of what we have done in these weeks.
Since we've been very bored and all of that, we just thought of being productive for a while. So let's get into the vlog. So guys, both of us have received some PR packages from Innisfree, and
we both are staying together since a week now. We just thought of staying
opening
together,
it, showing it to you guys.
We thought of opening these packages in front of you guys, since we both are together and we both got it at the same address. And let's see what we have. So we have this Innisfree's. What is this? Yeah,
so we have some green tea, or like all of this.
all of the skin. No, product just fell on my box cake.
Okay.
We have this
green tea,
all of the skincare products.
eye and face ball.
Yeah.
And
we have green tea mist, face mist. I guess we would really do an what do you say, IGTV on the skincare soon, very soon.
And we also have a green tea sleeping mask.
And then green tea foam cleanser. I guess they really mismatched with the foam cleanser. So
and they gave me 2 of the sleeping masks.
Yeah.
So yeah.
That's that. Then we have more boxes.
So secondly, we also got the body cleanser from Innisfree.
And the lotion. I'm so excited to try this, guys. We both are excited to try this.
Soon. And lastly, we received this Hydro Rocket green tea serum.
We'll be opening it on our IGTV soon.
Yes. So guys, it's 1 a.m. now, and we both are planning on coloring our hair.
Yeah, so Merita's hair is not bleached, and I'll be bleaching her hair. And since my hair is already bleached, we'll be
adding some color to it. So
and
wait for the color.
Watch.
Yes. Keep watching. So this is my hair before bleaching,
and let's bleach it now. We're gonna keep it for like 45 minutes.
Yeah.
And let's see the results soon.
Excited.
See ya. Bye. Now we're gonna color my hair with this crazy color, hot purple number 62.
So we'll start with coloring her hair right now,
and let's see how it goes.
it's 4:15 right now, and we just thought of coming on our terrace for a shoot.
yeah, so we thought of coming to our terrace and shoot right now because it's been a while we haven't taken good photos of ourselves.
And since we had nothing to do,
so we'll take you on how we are going to shoot and pose and everything. And let's see you ahead.
Gotta let you say, cause I back it up. So appreciate, I could pick it up. Heading on the way, don't you know I'm up? So up, so up. If you wanna wake up, there's places I could take you. Lost in the dream of what comes after the afterlife. Up, body, like a bass drop. Gon' give it to you, baby, don't stop. A body like a drum. Body, on top.
So we're back from our shoot.
and we are really hungry, so we thought of making some evening snacks like coffee and mug cakes.
Yeah, so let's do it together and let's see how this mug cake turns out.
So we start with putting the cream cheese.
We are not going to do it professionally wearing apron and everything. We're just going to get it. We added cream cheese. We added the egg white. Now
We'll be adding some yogurt.
next
Maida.
is baking powder. Guess. So we're mixing. Things are really messy right now. So this is the cheesecake. What
And
we're
this
gonna
is
do?
the dark chocolate.
Yeah. It's dark chocolate cake that you're gonna make. So we have these small mugs. What we thought, we like nice munchies. So we thought of adding those
Different
batter in
flavors,
this.
yeah.
So maybe 2 cheesecake.
Another one if you want Oreo. That'll be full. Yeah, no. So I'm gonna hold this. I'm gonna whisk the sugar what I just added here on the cheesecake. You can add some cookies and chips. So we'll be adding some chips. In this you add the brown ones. Okay. Batter is so perfect. The consistency of the batter is so perfect.
So this is how our batter looks like, and butter cups are ready.
Pouring the batter now. Oops. I hope it's not messy.
I don't think so. So we are pouring the cheesecake first.
So the dark chocolate batters are being added.
Rita is gonna keep it in the microwave. Get it. Yay. So we kept it for 2 minutes and let's see how it turns out.
So the cake's in the oven.
So we'll be making
Yeah.
some coffee
Cold
right
coffee
now.
Yeah, cold coffee since we love cold coffee. And let's take you to that now. Amul doodh pita hai India.
So our coffee is ready and this is yay, our coffee is ready. Okay, so even our cupcakes are ready. We will set it up and show you. Bye.
mug cakes and coffee is ready. Let's taste it.
We're sitting to have it.
It's really nice.
It is.
It's really nice.
Show me.
It's really nice.
Oh my god. Love it. So guys, this is all for a quarantine week vlog, and I hope you guys like this vlog.
So we'll just end it here. Like, I hope you guys liked it. Please drop in
your suggestions below
on the comment section. Yeah.
And like this video, and please subscribe to our channel. We will do our best to get in more content and
work on it, of course.
And
So
let's see you next time.
bye.
Bye.